Hi friends, welcome back to yet another video tutorial from Yo Crochet. This is our second part of the table runner. In the first part we saw how to do the green portion. In today's video we are going to see how to make the white portions of the table runner. These squares we will be using in the center portions and this pattern we will be using in the ends of the table runner, both the ends. So let's see how to make this square. For the square, we'll be starting with a foundation chain of 55. And I have done a row of double crochets from the fourth chain. So we will be having 51 double crochets plus 1, that will be the chain 3 we did as a returning chain. Now for the second row we will be doing a chain 3 as the first double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches we will work 1 double crochet each. So total 3 double crochets including the chain 3. Chain 2. Skip the next 2 and work 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Skip 2 double crochet in the third and fourth. So 1 each in each of the stitches. So this round we will be continuing in this manner, that is chain 2, skip 2 and 2 double crochets. Chain 2, skip 2, 2 double crochets. 1 each in each of the stitches. So here we have reached the end of the round. We have 5 more stitches. So we'll just skip the next 2, work 2 double crochets. And the third one and the last we will be working on the third chain of the chain 3. So second round is complete. Chain 3, turn your work. This time you will be working 4 double crochets. 2 on the double crochets and 2 in the chain 2 space. From this round on, we will be working double crochets only in the chain spaces. The only variation will be in the ends, where we will be doing double crochet on top of double crochet. Rest all the places we will be skipping the double crochets and working in the chain 2 spaces. So we will be skipping the double crochets and working in chain 2 spaces. Chain 2, 2 double crochets. So we'll just complete the round 3. So here we have reached the end of round 3. Now we will be doing 3 more double crochets here, as we have done 5 double crochets in the beginning. So we will be doing 2 double crochets on the double crochets we will be doing on the third chain of chain 3, the returning chain. 2, 3. For the fourth round, again we'll do chain 3, turn the work. This time we'll be working only 2 double crochets. In 3 double crochets, including the chain 3. We'll just repeat as we did in the third round. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets in the chain space. So here we have reached the end of fourth round. We have 5 double crochets, chain 2 and skip the next 2 and work 3 double crochets. The third one on the chain 3. So here we have completed 4 rounds. Now until we reach 18th row, we will be repeating rows 3 and 4 alternatingly. That is, next we will be working the third row, same as the third row, and then again we will repeat the fourth round. So we will just repeat 3 and 4 alternatingly until we have 18 rows. So here I have completed 18 rounds of the pattern. Now we will be doing double crochets into each of these stitches. So we will get 52 double crochets as we did in the starting. Starting with chain 3. Double crochets in the chain 2 space and also on top of the double crochets. Two double crochets in the chain 2 space. So here we have completed the round. Now we'll just work till the half of the square, a small pattern, and then we'll work the second pattern. So here we have completed the square. Do a chain 1 and cut the yarn for using it in the middle portion of the table runner. Now we are going to make the squares for the corners. So for that we will be doing a single crochet in the same space. Now for the pattern we will be doing a single crochet in the same space and we will work 7 double crochets in the third row. That is, we'll skip this and into the this space we'll work 7 double crochets. So here we have done 7 double crochets. Skip the next row and into the next work a single crochet. Again skip the next row and into the next we'll work 7 double crochets. So here we completed 7 double crochets. Skip the next row and into the next work a single crochet. We have to start working our pattern from the next row. So we'll just do slip stitches to reach into that space. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, 2 double crochets. So in the 10th row, 10th row, we'll work a shell, chain 3, skip the next row and into the next work a shell again. So here we have worked 4 shells in alternate rows with chain 3 spaces in between. Now we will be working triple crochets in the corner stitch, that is the very first chain space. We will be working triple crochet. So yarn over twice, work 2 triple crochets. Chain 2, again 2 triple crochet, all in the same space. Chain 2, again 2 triple crochets. So now we are going to work 4 sets of shells with after 6 double crochets. So skip 6 double crochets and work shell in between 6th and 7th. So 4 sets of shells will be working in this side. So here I have done 4 double shells on both the sides. Turn the work, do 2 slip stitches and reach into the middle portion, work 5 double crochets. So here we have done 2 popcorns. If you have any doubts regarding popcorn stitch, please do watch my video popcorn stitch flower. In that I had explained how to do a popcorn stitch. Now chain 3, we'll skip this double shell and into the space we'll work a shell. The space between the 2 shells. Chain 3 and a shell in between the shells. Again chain 3. Work shells in between the triple crochet sets. So in these chain spaces we'll work shells with a chain 7 in between them. Again we'll just repeat what we did on this side. 2 shells and a popcorn stitch in the last shell. So our second round of the pattern is done. Turn the work and again we will be working 2 popcorns in this chain space. Here we have to be careful, because if we do as we do the normal popcorn, our popcorns will be facing the wrong side. So to avoid that, what we'll do, we'll just insert from the other side and pull it like this. So our popcorns will be facing to the right side. So this side will be our wrong side. Again chain 3, 5 double crochet. So we'll be doing this style whenever we are working on the reverse side. We'll work 2 double shells in between the chain spaces. So here we work 2 shells in the chain spaces. chain 3 again, skip the next shell, and into the chain space we will work 10 double crochets. So here I have worked 2 shells in the chain spaces as we work this on this side. Again we will work 2 popcorns, opposite popcorns. And the reverse popcorn. So we have to insert from the back side. Complete the popcorn. Turn the chain, work. Again we'll do normal popcorn, 2 popcorns, shells in the chain spaces, skipping the first chain space. 2 shells will work in these chain spaces. So here I completed the 4th round. On the 10th double crochets, I did a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then 2 shells in the chain spaces. Between the shells, and did the popcorn. And for the 5th round, I just started off with the popcorns. So here I did the reverse popcorns for the 5th round. Alternate rounds you will be doing the reverse popcorns. Now we will be doing chain 3 and 2 shells in the shells. So we did 2 shells, chain 3. Now we will be doing single crochets in between the double crochets, that is the chain spaces. We will be doing single crochet with chain 3s in between. So chain 3, single crochet. From this round on, we will be doing only single crochets and chain 3s. Here in this space. And again just repeat what we did on this side and complete round 5. So here I completed row 5. We got 8 chain 3 loops and we did 2 shells in the shells and the popcorn. Again for round 6 I started off with the normal popcorns. Chain 3, skip the next shell and into the next work a shell. Again chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. So we'll just complete this round. So here I completed round 6. We have 7 chain 3 spaces, chain 3 loops, and did shell in the first shell, skipped the next and worked a popcorn. So here I started off row 7 with reverse popcorn, a shell in the shell. Now from this row on we will be repeating until we have 1 chain 3 loop. Chain 3, single crochet in the chain 3 loop. So we'll just keep repeating this row, that is popcorn, shell and single crochet chain 3s until we have 1 chain 3 loop. So we'll just repeat this step. Complete that and see how to work further. So here I completed round 7. So we'll just repeat popcorn set, shell, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. How many times we get? again shell in shell and popcorn set. So we'll just repeat this. So here we have completed 12 rows of our pattern. Now our pattern has started taking up the shape of a cone. Here we have only one chain 3 loop. Started round 13, popcorn, set of reverse popcorn, shell in this shell. So now we will be doing chain 3, single crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 3 and repeat, shell inside the shell, chain 3 again and set of popcorn, reverse popcorn. So here we completed our 13th round. Now for 14th round we will just do the popcorn set, shell and shell inside this and again the popcorn set with a chain 3 in between the shells. Chain 3 again shell in the shell for the 14th round. So here completed the 14th round, did a popcorn set for 15th round. Now we will be working shell in this chain space and again popcorn, chain 3, shell in between shells, again chain 3 and popcorn stitch. We completed 15th round and for the 16th I did a popcorn set. I will do a single crochet in this chain 2 space, again a popcorn. So here we completed 17 rounds. In the 17th round I did a popcorn set, chain 3, again a popcorn set. Last and 18th row we will be doing a set of popcorns in this chain 3 space. So for that we will have to do slip stitch and reach this space. Three slip stitches and work popcorn. So chain 3, 4 double crochets. We are almost at the end of our pattern round. We have to do a small pattern in this side as we did on this side. So we'll just join the yarn in this corner with a slip knot. Chain 1 and work a single crochet in the same space. Skip next 6 double crochets and in the space between 6th and 7th work 7 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 double crochets. Skip the next 6 and work a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet. Again skip next 6 and work 7 double crochets. Single crochet into the same space as we did our shell. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So our 2 corners are ready. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, do write in your suggestions and opinions in the comments. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.